Hi everyone. Well, I'm excited because my paper pumpkin has just arrived. And so let's take a look at what this month's paper pumpkin has inside. This one's called Beary Comforting and it's from December 2020. Cute. Look at that cute little bear. Let me find a white piece of paper to put underneath so you can see it. Is it better this way? Yes, look at that. Cute, and he's a good size. He's a fun size bear. He'll be fun to color. Okay, so you've got this cute little bear and some little florally pieces. This one says get well soon. This says hooray and you are on my mind. So fun little sayings there. This is just talking about some new things. The mini Stampin' Cut emboss machine. It's super fun. I love it because it just sits right here on my desk. Look. Oh. Okay. Anyway, back to paper pumpkin. Okay, our color this time, rich razzleberry. Oh, there's more animals. Okay, let's take a look at what's inside here. Oh, cute. All right, let's not spoil it. Let's look at what's in here. Okay. You've got a good size sheet of dimensionals. And some really cute little animals. So it looks like a koala and a little, is that a red panda? And then the regular bear here. So you've got some cutouts. Are they all the same? Yes, quite a good quantity. And our envelopes, I always like that they give these really cute printed envelopes with the inside liners with paper pumpkin. I love the paper pumpkin envelopes. So cute. Okay. Here are the card bases. So here's one. Really nice gold foiling on that. Oh, here's some more cutouts. Here's another card base with more gold foil. And another layering piece. And our third card base. Oh, and more cutouts to come. And that's really pretty too. Look at that. I love the colors on this one. It looks like rich razzleberry, calypso coral, and soft seafoam perhaps. Really pretty colors. Okay, and more cutouts. Oh, these are sweet. Okay, so you've got cupcakes, hearts, a little bouquet, and a present. And then here's for our sentiments. So really cute little collection here. Let's take a look at what they're intended to make. Okay, so you've got koalas holding the hooray. Little bear with the bouquet, holding the bouquet that says you are on my mind. It looks like the items stick inside the bear. Let me take a closer look at that cutout. And then this little red panda is saying get well soon. And of course you can switch those around. They can all hold different things. Here is the bear holding the package. That's cute. That's so cute. And you've got the panda holding the cupcake. You can switch up the animals. So it looks like their hands pop out. Let's take a closer look at those cutouts. Now every month I get extras, and I used to get a lot of extras because I had classes, and with COVID, oh look, it pops out. With COVID, I haven't been having classes, so I live in kind of a high intensity area, I guess, lockdown area. Look how cute he's holding it. How sweet is that? Cute. He might be a cute one to get extras. And of course you can add whatever sentiments you want to those little label pieces. I love this cupcake. Let's see. So he can hold the cupcake, or the koala, little koala animals can hold the cupcake. How cute. And then he just has his hand out so he can hold anything. Really cute. I'm going to really enjoy this one. Okay. So you've got your cutouts, you've got your presents. This is a really cute one. All right, anyway, what I was trying to say is that I get extras, and I haven't been selling them as fast because I haven't been having classes. Normally I put them out on display and people gobble them up. But if you didn't get this one and you are wishing that you had these cute little animals, let me know and I may have another kit for you. He is adorable. And look how nicely you can color that. Really sweet. I really like that. I like this little panda guy too. And these, they're so cute. And these banner pieces are really nicely sized. And so if you wanted to put a happy birthday I bet you've got a happy birthday stamp from a previous Paper Pumpkin kit, or another stamp set in these circle sizes. I bet that would also fit in here like they were holding this circle. So cute. Anyway, it's a really adorable set. The colors are beautiful and the foil accents are really nice, and those envelopes are really nice. So if you would like a kit, let me know, and I may have an extra one, and if I haven't already made them all up for myself. These are really sweet. And you know what I really like about Paper Pumpkin too that I should point out? You use up all of this stuff and then it's gone. But what you have at the end is this stamp set. And the stamp set always has really cute things on it, and it always has nice sentiments. So, you know, you're going to end up with a great collection of sentiment stamps that you can use for, you know, you can make on anything really. And cute little things, like you can throw this on a little white bag and give someone a little gift, color it, and you know, that's an easy put together card. Just color this cute little guy, and any sentiment will do. And then you end up also with a bunch of colors of spots, and I already have all the colors from Stampin' Up, and so these spots, you might think I don't use them, but sometimes I don't. If I have a lot of the same color, I'll offer them up to some of my Stampy friends. But they're really nice for stamping. If you're going to, you know, stamp on something large and you don't want to put it on a pad, you can use this. They're great for on the go, and they're really great for stamping on your Stamparatus. So if you're going to use that Stamparatus, this is nice for inking up the stamps that are on there, instead of the big pad that you have to turn upside down and it's a little harder to hold on to. So anyway, spots are great. You're going to end up still having those at the end. After you've used up all of this, this is what's left over, and these you're going to use over and over and over again. So Paper Pumpkin is a really nice subscription to have, and I think this kit is super cute. Now next month's kit, if you jump in before the 10th of the month, or by the 10th of the month, it's a Valentine's kit. It's all about love, and there's also going to be, you can see it on January 1st, there's going to be an add-on kit. The pumpkin kit itself makes cards, standard size cards, but there's going to be an add-on kit that matches it, that makes boxes that you can put treats in, and I believe the kit makes 10 to 12 boxes. I'll have to look that up. And so jump on that one. I'll have more about that up on my blog or my Facebook page later in the week ahead. You're going to want to check this out. This one is the December 2020 Beary Comforting Paper Pumpkin Kit. I think it's adorable. If you want to get one, let me know quickly. I only have a few. And I actually have a couple of the gingerbread one left. I don't have any other pumpkin kits left in my little collection here, but I do have a couple of the gingerbread gift card kits left if you still want one of those. Those were cute. They made gift cards, but I turned most of mine into cards, and I used half and half. I did half cards and half gift cards, and that one, I think, I forget how many that one made. A lot. It makes a lot. You'll have to, if you have a question about that one, let me know. Happy to answer it. All right, thanks for watching. And again, Paper Pumpkin kits, really fun things to have. A nice little subscription to get for yourself, or get it for a friend. Last minute holiday gift. Get them a subscription to Paper Pumpkin. It's a really fun little kit that you get every month in your mailbox. Cancel at any time, or you can buy prepaid in quantities of 1 month, 3, 6, and 12, I believe. Really fun little kit. Adorable. Thanks for watching. Bye.